Hi there, it's Dr. Scott MacLean, and this is a YouTube video about the Medit i500, which is an intraoral scanner that I had a chance to play with when I was in Pittsburgh doing a lecture the day before COVID actually broke out. So I had some more time with it just last week when the Nobel Biocare rep brought it over. I was quite impressed with this. It's a pretty good price too. Open system scanner with what you're doing is making an STL file. So an STL file is going to be used to do crown and bridge, implants. We can also do biplanes. So it's replacing doing traditional impressions. So you get easy file transfer with this, and I was very impressed with the speed and the fact that you didn't have to have powder is always good too. Another neat feature is it's a video-based scanner, and this enables you to do before and after pictures quite easily. You can also scan analog impressions, which is really cool. And this enables you to take the scan and reverse it so you can make your model. So it's kind of like you're pouring up a impression. So that's a really neat feature in the software. But we can do an occlusal analysis as well, so it can tell you where things are hitting and when you're doing your bite registrations and stuff like that. Another awesome feature is the ability to do high definition photos on your computer screen, which can be projected on a big TV in front of the patient. Another notable feature is the weight of the camera. It's about 280 grams, which is not that heavy compared to some, because it does not have a battery inside of it, which is interesting. Because it had a very small head on the camera itself with two cameras inside. And you can see that it has a mirror, which is this can be sterilizable, so you can do this in between patients, of course, and this is important in today's kind of COVID type of problem, so we want to make sure that everything is good. The handle is easy to hold. It's not that heavy, as we talked about, but it does have this kind of sleek design with two cameras in the end. And so this allows you to get down to about 10 microns in accuracy on the single areas, and then full arch accuracy is I think about 50 microns, which is listed by the manufacturer. One of the cool features, if you don't have wireless, then having a cord that's nice and long is good. This is a USB hot swappable cord, so you can go from computer to computer in different operatories. Now once you get the STL file in the operatory, you can send it into another computer program called like DTX Studio Implant or some other type of software, and you can plan the implant position. And you can see here we're planning the temporaries, we're planning the implant position, we're planning depth, angulation. We're getting everything so it's going to be exact and well positioned for excellence for the patient for long term. And of course we can then print the STL file to allow us to do guided surgery, or we can take the files and manipulate them to go into something called XGuide, which will allow us to do dynamic planned implants, which is like using a GPS to place the implant. Now this model represents the patient, so it would normally be in color if you're scanning in the patient's mouth, but you'll hear this beautiful guitar sound as the scan is accurate, and this tells you that you're on course to having a real excellent STL file. So as we go around, we're picking it up. We want the light to be coming from the camera and not to be lit up by the dental light. So you can see that we're getting a good scan. We have 3 other scanners in our office, but this one kind of would fit in. It has a unique kind of way where it probably would keep this close by and have it just available all the time. It does have that USB cord, so you can move from operatory to operatory, but you'd have to either have a laptop on a cart or have computers in the operatory themselves, which a lot of doctors already have that now. But you do have to have the capabilities of your computer to handle this. It has that long cord as we're talking about. You see how long that is. It's quite long. And then that handpiece is lighter because not as much stuff has to be in the handpiece. If you have a battery in the handpiece, it does make it a little bit heavier. Here I'm playing around with it at a show in Pittsburgh, and I was pretty impressed with how fast this scanned, and it had scan paths that were similar to what I was used to. We were scanning a model, of course, which is not color, but it is a color scanner, and so therefore you're going to get a nice image when you're showing the patient, which I think it's a lot of it is to show the patient to see what's going on. They get wowed by this, but having this scanner I think might be in my future. I'm considering it now, but I just wanted to share some of the things that I've learned about this Medit i500 and show you what it can be used for. But you can print these files, you can send these files to be used to do digital wax ups of crowns. You can make a digital, you can make a printable model and then do a wax up on this and make a gold crown, cast it. So you can do a whole bunch of different things, and pretty much everyone's going to have these scanners in the future. About 10% of the people have them right now, but this is kind of the way that things are going. So I would look at a number of scanners, but this certainly is one I would check out and give it a try, because it does have some interesting features. The software is kind of comes with the scanner. It's kind of being packaged as an all-round kind of unit. So in summary, this is the Medit i500. It's a great little unit. I think it's a lot less expensive than a lot of the units. It's going to be a great entry-level kind of intraoral scanner. And so if you want to check it out, I would check it out and see if it fits into your life. But it's a pretty cool little camera. Anyway, this is Dr. Scott MacLean, and this has been a YouTube video about digital dentistry.